dreams. My memories linger in 8-bit streams. On the Amiga we sail through space, a retro odyssey, a nostalgic embrace. Echoes in the digital abyss, a sanctuary for the ones who reminisce. The lofties and this we navigate in the cybernetic world of destiny to create. And from the of thousands we run, short and in a generation. In the end of the day, find inspiration, no hidden dreams. We're screaming in this sweat today, in this retro paradise, where memories perpetuate. I won't bench winners to deluxe paintings in the world of splash reality readings. Or Amiga Vault, where pictures come alive in the retro symphony, our spirits thrive. It's the joystick dances to the rhythm of the code, in the language of assembly, a tale is told. And the game that flows through copper veins, in the language of nostalgia, our melody remains. Spirituality of the ocean of the electrics, not the money of tree inspiration. Spirituality of the ocean of the electrics, not the money of tree inspiration. Spirituality of the ocean of the electrics, not the money of tree inspiration. Spirituality of the ocean of the electrics, not the inspiration, not the meditation. So when I did a generation, in the end of the day, find inspiration, no hidden dreams. We're screaming in the sweat today's innocent, in this retro paradise where memories perpetuate. So when I did a generation, in the end of the day, find inspiration, no hidden dreams. We're screaming in the sweat today's innocent, in this retro paradise where memories perpetuate. I'm a machine of delight in the cathedral of pixels, where memories take flight, loading the soundtrack of our youth. In the binary serenade, we find our truth. On the urban shores, where the demoscene collides, in the Amiga magic repetitively abides. Oh, Amiga Vault echoes through the holes in the cybernetic heart where nostalgia calls. In the land of lemons and Monkey Island quest, a pixelated symphony with the past invests. And the game legend lives on. In the retro anthem, our legacy is drawn. The heartbeat of a generation. In the Amiga Vault,